Welcome to Animation Utilities. The panel can be customized in the add-on preferences. The compact panel shows only icons. The descriptive panel shows icons and operator names. A pie menu is called with this shortcut. You can use it for quick access or to have another panel in the sidebar. Let's look at the viewport tools. You can set any orthographic view. Or toggle the rotation tool. Let's see the posing tools. You can easily symmetrize the bone selection. Or isolate some bones to work with and declutter the view. Of course, you can unhide the rest of the bones. Resetting bones to their rest position is easy. Let's see how our keyframe operator works. If we don't have any assigned action or if the strip is not in tweak mode, the operator is disabled. Start tweaking the strip and the operator will be enabled in its regular state. If we change the current frame outside the strip's frame range, we'll note that the keyframe operator is still enabled but in its warning state, indicating that we are outside the strip's range and helping to avoid that common mistake. If we move the current frame to the beginning, we'll see the operator return to its regular state. Let's test the second strip. You can see the indicator is active, showing in real time whether we are outside or inside the frame range. We can also easily change the interpolation mode for newly inserted keyframes with this menu. We have this composed animation in the NLA editor. Let's see how the Smart Play and the Toggle NLA strip operators can help us. Let's put the strip in edit or tweak mode with the Start-Stop tweaking operator. Now play the animation with the regular Blender play operator, that is, with spacebar. See how only one strip is played and the other one in the track is ignored. Stop editing that strip, select the second one and start tweaking it. Let's play again with the spacebar. The result is the same, the first strip is ignored and only the strip being tweaked is played. Okay, now let's do the same again, but this time we'll play it with our Smart Play operator. Select the first strip, tweak it, and click the play operator. This time both strips are played. And when we stop the animation, the play operator remembers its earlier tweak state. Let's try with the second strip. Again, the play operator plays all strips the track, no matter if they are in tweak mode or not. And the best part is that when we stop the animation, it returns to the tweak state if the strip was in that state. Now let's fix this animation. We need to set the scene's end frame. The legs are too close, we'll spread them a bit. Also, the arms are awkwardly positioned and need to be fixed, as do the feet. Okay, let's add a new action. We'll declutter the rig with isolate bones. Time to fix the legs. Just add some rotations so they feel more organic. Add keyframes for these bones. And restore the rest of the rig. Now let's fix the arms. No, this spine bone doesn't help much. Let's go with the upper spine bone. Much better, keyframe this bone. Looks fine except for the legs, which appear to be floating. Go to frame 1, select the root master bone and add a keyframe. Now it looks more natural. Thanks for watching.